Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where you get black screen after login, either immediately or after a while, then please watch this video. Now, if you get that immediately, then restart the computer and check the display connections. You may have to call a hardware technician if you are using a laptop, and in the case of a desktop, you can check the HDMI cable. The next solution is to update the display drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and update drivers, and then right click on the second one and update drivers. The next solution will be to reset Windows, because if it isn't working, then at least at the software level, the maximum that we can do is to update Windows. If this doesn't help, then we will have to talk to a hardware technician. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down and select recovery. Click on reset PC, select remove everything, let it remove, and then finally select cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.